The one constant we can always bet on is change. And it's April 4th of 2024, and LinkedIn appears to be making another big change in LinkedIn groups. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about from my profile in my groups and in groups that I'm a member of, but I'm not an admin of or an owner. And then I'm going to go to two other computers, to two friends of mine, and show you what they are seeing as well. And they are not paying for LinkedIn. I am paying for LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to go to the home page. I'm going to first go to one of my groups. This is one of my groups here. I'm the admin / owner of this group. And in the group, if I go over here to show all, look what I see. It's a slightly different interface than people who are not paying for LinkedIn will see. Because again, I'm an admin or the owner of the group. I have the ability, second level, first level. Let me see who else I have. Do I have the ability to search? I do not have the ability to search by other than these options here. I can't search by first, second, or third. I want to show a third level person. You can see all the way down through this list, I have the ability to message. Again, this is with first and second level. I believe with third level, I just got to find somebody who's third level, and I can't find that person. Let me go to the end of the list. Unfortunately, I don't have any third level connections. Bottom line, all the way through here as an admin, I have the ability to send messages. Let me go to a group that I am not an owner or admin of. Give me a moment. Goodwill Professional Center. I am not an admin, nor am I an owner. This is a private group. So I'm going to blank out all the people's faces and show you this. All I have is follow and connect. The only time I have the ability to message is a first level connection. The rest of this, and by the way, I do not use group messaging at all. And I only have the ability to follow and connect. And the only time I have the ability to message is a first level connection. Again, April 4th of 2024, and this is a group that I am neither an owner or an admin of. I am a member only. Now, I'm doing another group. So I can show you that it's way more than just a few groups. Hit show all. Again, I'll hide the faces, connect, and follow. The only time I have a message is first level. Now, I also have a message to third level, but when I click on that, it's going to go to Sales Navigator messaging. It may be a free message or a paid message. It's going to go to Sales Navigator paid messaging. The only message option I have is first level or third level, and these will be paid messaging or Sales Navigator premium messaging. Could be free if the person is an open networker. Bottom line, there is no messaging here other than, again, in-mail messaging. Now let me go to another computer, a friend of mine's computer, and let me show you what she sees on her computer in LinkedIn groups. 1 second, let me set this up. This is my friend Reva. I'm on her computer with her permission. We're in the Goodwill Professional Center group. Again, I'm going to hide the faces and the first few words of their name. And you can see that she also, again, she's a member, not an admin or an owner. She can only message third level, and that's going to be either a free in-mail from that person, or it's going to bring up the box and say try premium. The rest of the options here are connect or follow. There is no message option. Again, this right here might be a free in-mail. It's a free in-mail. This right here is a suggestion to try premium for free. The rest of these are all follow or connect. I'm going to go get one more person. I'm going to go to my partner / wife's computer with her permission. I'm going to show you what she sees as well. Again, this is my wife's computer, her LinkedIn account with her permission for me to show this to you. She says hurry up because she has work to do. The group that she is in is QuickBooks Tips and Tricks. It's also a private group. There's 60,000 members in this group. I'm hiding everybody's name, picture and the first part of their name. And you can see she has the connect. She has a message button there, and that's going to be to try premium for free. Look, the words are try for $0, but the rest of it is follow or connect. The only message option, this right here is a free in-mail because this person's an open networker. The rest of these are try premium for free. There's no messaging. And by the way, neither Reva nor Rebecca nor myself use any group messaging in the past few months at all. There are rumors that you could send up to 5 or 15 being premium users, free LinkedIn messages in the groups moving forward. But this indication does not show that. This indication says there is no messaging available unless you're using premium, or if the person is an open networker and has open networking turned on. This is a big change. I'm not sure where it's going to land. This could change again. Again, this is April 4th of 2024. Kind of disappointed that group messaging is going away. I kind of understand why it may be going away because of all the scammers that are out there. But this puts a huge wrinkle in the ability, or huge barrier in the ability for you to engage with LinkedIn members directly that are in the same group. It might make a big change in our processes as we're prospecting. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn strategist, trainer, and coach. I'm sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but let's see where this all shakes out.